What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. A lot of things happening. Finally got a little break from the storm. I think there's about 2 hours until it starts raining again. Yeah, so I was on the toilet thinking, a lot of thinking, and I remembered that one of my fog lights went out. So this is for another video later, but we got the Amazon special fog lights on right now because my other SS3 went out. So I'm waiting for Diode Dynamic to get back to me on that before I do that video. And then I just got into this whole Amazon lighting binge. I bought a bunch of lights off of Amazon. So today we're going to be working on installing these. These are High Flying, I think that's a brand, window or mirror signal lights. They're basically going to replace these lights right here with some blacked out ones. This is the last piece of chrome on the car, on the truck. So let's get this replaced and then we'll see what the difference is. I'm not sure how well you can tell because it's pretty bright outside, but the OEM light's just a chrome light, single amber light that just flashes. We're going to be replacing this with a smoked out sequential light, so it should just go doo -doo 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 -doo. It should be pretty easy. It comes with all the parts and all the tools that you need. Let's go grab those really quick. So when I bought it, at least, it came with a little plastic panel remover and a screwdriver. It's basically everything you need for this. And then your new side marker or window marker. All we're going to do here is shove this in and we're just going to pop out this upper portion. Oh. It just took a little bit longer than I thought. You do have to do a little bit of tugging. Try not to break anything. I almost broke off this tab, but we got it off. Do a quick test. Yep. So those are the new lights. Pretty fancy. Very nice. They look pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Compare these to the stock OEM ones that look like this. Look pretty good for the price. So I know that, let me see, let me confirm. I've been wanting to replace this because these are the last things on the rig that are still chrome. So I've been thinking about getting those, but if you look at the Morimotos, they're 151. The Mess Customs ones, 160. I think on Amazon I got these for 30 bucks. Yeah, I got these for $36 with a 7% coupon. And they come in the same, I'm gonna leave a link for this down in the description if you guys are interested in it, but they have the same, all the same styles as the Mesa Customs and the Morimotos. I can't attest for how well they'll work over time because I just installed these literally right now, but for 30 bucks, 40 bucks versus the 150, 160 you would have spent on the Mesos or whatever. I'll take them for now as temporary. Everything that I do is usually temporary until I buy the more expensive version of it. I'm just not very ballin' right now. I'm not as cash money as I was, and I have very light pockets. So 40 bucks, I'll take 40 bucks over 160 bucks any day. I'm gonna go ahead and replace this one, but it's the same thing as the other one. So I'm just gonna cut it here. You guys seen the video, how to do it, how to install it, what they look like installed. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concern, leave them down below. If you guys like the new side markers, let me know. Hit that like button. And if you guys want to see more stuff, because I have a bunch of Amazon lights coming in and a bunch of other parts that I need to throw on the rig still, hit that subscription button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.